And here it is. It's the morning after January 28th. This is how much snow. Good night. Woo! Tells you I'm not going anywhere. Alrighty. A little bit more and my little lights at night would have been covered. And it is still snowing. And it's chilly. The temperature at almost 7 a.m. in Olney, Illinois, 19 degrees. With the wind blowing, it feels like it's about 1 or 2 above. And people are out here on this road. Crazy. Getting a close-up of the snow as it's coming down. You're coming. Oh, keep right on going. It is absolutely amazing. I think we must have gotten at least another 6 inches last night. My poor Florida van. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. For all of you that moved from Olney, Illinois to warmer climates, just look what you've been missing. There's got to be a morning after. Oh yeah. I am not going to my mailbox today. Ooh, there goes police. Oh, what a jerk. Look at him. Hop skipping down the road. This is the last of the second round. Whew. You can still hear a little bit of sleet in there.